Hello everyone, this is Valences Balcevichus, and today I'm going to be showing you a Smart Views multiple elements command. So you see I have here create, update and delete views commands. I will pick one of them and then I need to select a couple of elements like so. Then I click on finish and then I just give a name for the view. Then I need to select which element will have influence on the direction of the views. So in my configuration, I selected to create just one view, just the front view, so its direction will be based on this cabinet. Okay, so view is created, and then let's take a look what's the result. So this is what I get with this tool and my configurations, right? I see only categories I have selected. I see grid line, I see level, and I got all the dimensions automatically. So it comes everything from my configurations. You can have a trial of this tool and try it for yourself. So have fun.
aga-cad, building BIM together.